Routine? Why are you coming down here? You know where I'm headed. Let's do a quick head count. Are we missing one? 4, 5. Yeah, we're missing one. Got ahead of me. Where's your other one? Is she laying? Gate got closed. I'll make sure this gets propped open tomorrow. Hey, don't come out. So I figured out 3 of the cup scoops that I'm using in the feed bag is more than enough for all 15 because I kept them in yesterday when we went to church. It was kind of rainy weather and we weren't going to be home. I just felt like we should just leave them up here. So toss in. And this morning there was still stuff down there. I gave them another scoop. And they've been free ranging all day. So been cleaning out some old canning stuff. I decided we're not going to eat it. Seals were still good. So evening routine. Oh, Speck, that was mean. Speck and Goldie are the only ones. This one here, the light colored one, that have names. Oh, the drama. I cleaned the water things today. They like laying over here now. And they're still laying in there. I earlier collected from inside the baskets here. And then they were laying down there too. And I'm wondering, sorry about the camera work. I'm wondering if maybe they're laying somewhere else, not in this shed anymore. I really need to clean in here too. I've already collected 4 or 5 eggs. Just checking behind here. They've been working it. More stuff I'm going to take apart and redo the replace the fencing with the hardware cloth, maybe not, I don't know. But after getting the eggs from there, currently I haven't moved the baby chickies, and until I do, coming over here checking food and water. I gave her some laying pellets. Look at all the work that they've been doing here. That should not look so fresh. That little dug spot. There's no way the chickens are getting in and back out of there. Oh, see how big they're getting? The comets are huge. They're more than double the other ones. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I left the door open. Yes, they did go in there. Duh, stupid. I just come in here and make sure they got water. They definitely need their water thing redone tomorrow. I didn't redo it today. I did do their feeder today. I need to put a board or something down, some bricks, so they can't kick stuff around there. But it just hitting me, this may be some form of Cornish cross. I need to look at it. I didn't know what comets were. I don't know breeds. This isn't a breed. For $1, I thought, okay, I'll get that. So if they are a form of those Cornish cross monster chickens, I'm sorry, y'all going into freezer camp in 4 months or so. Oh. That would explain why they're so huge. Must remember to just lock the gate. But I thought that looked fresh. It kind of freaked me out because I get easily freaked out, like those chickens. Aw. The little one is feathering out finally, noticeably. Oops. Now I got to go to the other side of the house to check on the Silky. Silky's over there. Hello, chicks. Laid an egg in there. But let's check. I may have disrupted them by placing this in there. No eggs in there. But I want them, I'm going to get a fake egg and put it in there too, so they get in the habit. I know it's okay. But I got to thinking about it. If one of them gets broody, I'll have to actually lift her off of the ground and handle the eggs. Whereas if they laid in one of these, and then I can just lift the whole thing up. And I'm redoing this whole thing. I'm going to put 3 nesting, separated nesting boxes, one lid, like this, but it'll be divided 16 inches. And I'll put one of these in there. And I'll have it facing out. Each one will have a door. That way I can have multiple brooding hens at the same time. One-handed. Still got plenty of feed. All the green grass is gone. Notice? They're still green. Green. It's okay. I'm gonna have to start bringing them treats. I don't normally do treats. I end up dumping all the stuff with the big flock. Plenty of feed. But this doesn't seem to go down like the pellet stuff does. Oh. Maybe y'all like that, huh? Go ahead. He's calling them. He's a good brew. I like the 2 roosters I've got now. See, he's not even eating it yet. He's trying to get his ladies over. It's hard to see their bands. That one's banded, that one's banded, that one's banded. So that's probably the one that got hatched out last year. And this water was cleaned. He pulled some out and dropped it for him. I'm gonna put something in there. Just putting the brick in there so they don't have to bump that. I guess with their feathery heads, it's a little bit more tactile or sensitive to them. Oh well. Now I need to carry this back up to the big coop because it's where it's needed most. I could have stepped in and grabbed it. I probably don't need it to bring. I don't need to bring this down again. But I also forgot the treat bucket, the kitchen bucket, chicken bucket. Keep changing the name. They're so cute. It will be after this weekend before I can come back and finish this phase 2. And then I need to do a phase 3 for those meat birds. Because they are overrunning those other chicks that I paid more for than I paid for those. And if those are the meat birds, then okay, that's fine. Maybe that's something I will do every year. So at least they have something of a normal life before they end up in the freezer. I've debated fixing this up or dismantling it. I think I'm going to go ahead and dismantle it and redo it and do I'm not going to move this, but I'm going to use those paneling. These are 6 feet tall panels here. Cyclone fencing, dog kennel thing, 10 feet long. And this is 8 feet wide right here, or close. I may have to pinch it up a little bit. But it's, you know, coming just, these are fence boards. So I'm going to go ahead and dismantle this after I get the chickies moved. Take it all down. My husband reminded me that we had a few chickens at the other place. And some of these are old enough to have been over 2.5 years ago when we were at the other place. And they had the free range of that whole paddock and backyard area. And a few of them wanted to get on the fence posts that were 5-6 feet tall. The round fence posts that we had in the back. And they liked to roost there at night. And he tried his best to break them of it, so I'm not going to worry about them staying out there. It's warmer for them in there, especially cold, rainy times. But they're made for this. Oh, and Speck is on the ground over there. That's not good. Let's see. Can you see them? Ugh. All of the black Australorps are up there. Bleach in there. Mainly it's all bleach. And this thing has just had a bunch of pink mold, not the green algae stuff. And I try to, you know, put the brush in there, but that's not working too well. But I was just letting the bleach sit on there. I'm trying to clean this up. I think it did it. Yep. So I'll finish rinsing that out. So, that is my evening routine. I will not have time this week to do much more than just the, you know, taking care of the birds in this routine that I'm in now. And maybe Saturday I could get back. It's Monday. So that's it. Exciting, isn't it? I enjoy it. It makes me get out of the house, which sometimes I need that push. Over there, let's see, is one of the chestnut trees. I don't think it survived. I'm not sure, but I need to put another cage like that over a fig tree, little fig start that I've got over there, and the chickens have really munched on it. So when you let them free range, you've got things like that to deal with. Not in use. Got that for him for Christmas and he hasn't used it yet. I've got delusions of building him a little cover for his grill. So in use or not, it's not just sitting out here. Well, like I said, every time I look around, it's like something to do. Stop looking, stop looking. And I don't like, you know, having the lawnmower sitting out like that. It's supposed to make me a little garden shed for things that I use. My garden tools from Christmas are still in the living room. But he's been doing the greenhouse when he could and other things as he has to or can. Just like me. So not putting guilt, not nagging him, not, just working with what I can, doing the best I can with what I've got available, like anyone else, right? But this is my evening routine with the chickens. Thanks for joining me. Be a blessing and be blessed.